Today we're unboxing the RYOBI BANDSAW. It's just a small little bandsaw, made for hobbyists only, but looking forward to using it. A few features including the work lamp, which should be good. No idea who came up with the idea to tape a manual right to the top of the box that you cut into. Ooh, and here we are. First look. So we've got the main metal plate or table. Comes with a plastic push stick. And assorted nuts and bolts to put it all together. So this manual is horrible. Instructions are very hard to follow, but I'm sure we'll get there. At least with this one, it's only a small number of bolts that we need to put it all together. So first we'll start by attaching the little rubber feet. So I don't know why, but RYOBI has chosen to attach lots of little bits and pieces that need to be taken off in order to perform the assembly. So as you can see, not having much luck getting this on. Needs to take more pieces off. And still not there. Victory. Now we can start putting back on the pieces we took off to begin with. This is a little safety stop. So you'll need to take this off if you ever want to change blades. It's just there to stop the blade getting loose if it does break or slip off. And we've got a stabilizer leg. Even without this, it still was relatively stable on the table. And the locking arm. It is very firm. It does all lock down very tightly. I'll just put on the fence. The fence is also light, but quite solid. Slides into place and locks down. Also comes with a miter gauge. Feels a bit light, a bit on the flimsy side. So on the right you can see a black bolt coming down from the table. This screws in and out to help level out the table. So you want to ensure that the table is at a 90-degree angle to the blade. Just going to set the height. So just slightly higher than the piece of timber that we're cutting through. Then the screw at the back just locks that into place. The work light, which disappointingly is yellow in colour. Also not too happy about that flickering light once you power on the machine. We'll see if we can fix that another time. So we'll just do a quick test cut. It's actually a bit crappy, but that might be due to my technique as well. We'll see if we can improve it another time. So I did forget to open it up before we did the first cut. So we'll take a look inside. Still quite a lot of equipment for the price. Got the tension adjusting knob at the top. At the back, a quick tension lever. Dial for the track back and forth. The locking knob for the height. And the height adjuster. It's the RYOBI bandsaw. Looking forward to using this one for many projects in the near future. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Hope you enjoy.